Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I'm home just about a week. And I got another package from Into Resin. Now I did say last week that they were going to be sending me 3 molds, and the 2 molds came yesterday. So I am really excited about opening this bag up and showing you what I got. Here we go. So this is an orchid mold, handmade. You know that their molds are handmade. This looks interesting. That looks really interesting in there. Wow, can you see? That's shine inside. So, orchid. Maybe we'll do this today. And I wonder what this is right here. I can't imagine. And this is the guide that we get. And let's see. I'm excited. The mold features a detailed turtle design, often with the turtle positioned at the center or integrated into the base of the tray. The turtle shell and body are intricately designed to capture the natural texture and appearance of a real turtle with artistic enhancements. Diamond-like facets, the turtle shell or other parts of the tray are adorned with diamond-like facets, giving the piece a luxurious, gem-like appearance. Those facets catch and reflect light, adding a sparkling effect that enhances the overall aesthetic of the tray. The tray itself is typically round. This is designed to be both functional and visually appealing. I'd like to give a big thank you to Into Resin for sending me these gorgeous molds and for making today's project happen. I'm gonna dive right in and do something truly cosmic today. I'll be working with these molds featuring the gorgeous Big Dipper and Orion constellations in a sparkling diamond cluster. That's right, you didn't notice that last week, but that's what we have here. And I'm going to take it even further, and I'm going to be adding our beautiful orchid mold as a top piece to this gorgeous, gorgeous set. I'll be using pigments from this little Piggy in Horizon, Supernova, and Golden Peach. And I'm going to dry brush in those star clusters with lemon sorbet. Here is my Tea Expert resin, all mixed up. And let's get right on with it. This is just a little bit over 200 milliliters. I'm going to mix in a little cup of these 3 pigments. Now, let's explore the universe and nature in this beautiful resin art. How about that? Horizon, TLP Horizon. Put some into this cup. If you wouldn't mind, while I'm working in the background, I'd like to give you some information about the Big Dipper. Let's see what that does. For centuries, the Big Dipper has been used as a navigational tool. The 2 outer stars in the bowl of the Big Dipper act as the pointer stars to Polaris, the North Star. By following a straight line from these stars, travelers and sailors could locate true north. A seasonal indicator in the northern hemisphere, the Big Dipper is visible all year long and rotates around Polaris, making it a useful seasonal marker for ancient civilizations. The Big Dipper is also steeped in mythology. It is significant to many cultures throughout history. Let's delve a little deeper into this mythological background. Native American stories surrounding the Big Dipper are rich and varied, with many tribes having their own unique interpretations. These stories often revolve around animals, hunters, and changing seasons. Here's more details on some of the Native American interpretations. Maybe you have a favorite story you'd like to tell me. Please leave it in the comments below. Here's one from the Lakotas. Sioux mythology, the bear and the hunters. In this story, the 4 stars that form the bowl of the Big Dipper represents a big giant bear, while the 3 stars in the handle symbolize 3 brothers who are hunting it. The chase. According to the myth, each spring, the brothers start chasing the bear, which continues through summer. The brothers pursue the bear across the sky, and by autumn they finally catch up. One of the hunters strikes the bear with an arrow, and its blood spills, explaining why the leaves turn red in the fall. Hibernation. As the bear is killed and falls to the earth, it represents the bear going into the hibernation during the winter months. The cycles then begin anew within the spring, when the bear awakens and the hunt starts again. Cultural significance. This myth symbolizes the changing of the seasons and the natural cycles of life. The bear hunt is a metaphor for renewal, and its hibernation mirrors the winter season, while the chase signals the rebirth of spring. He came out really cute. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, I like him. I'm going to put him to use that today. So as I'm demolding here, I thought I would give you a little reason why I picked these
I always love to use my
fall colors. Besides it being the fall season, probably saying, well, when I see orchids and the sky, I don't think of orange. But I kind of thought of orange because I remember seeing an orange orchid one time. And so I did look it up, and there is orange orchids, and they're called Catalea or Dendrobium orchids. I may not be sounding that out correctly, but I will spell that out for you. I'm not going to lie, this was a bit of a struggle here, but I did get it, of course, and it was well worth the wait. This orchid symbolizes passion, enthusiasm, and creativity. Their bright color is often seen as a celebration of boldness and energy. In some cultures, orange orchids represent good fortune and success, making them a perfect choice for brightening a space or a thoughtful gift. Sometimes these flowers are native to tropical regions and are admired for their vibrant, striking appearance. Orchids are also known for their ability to thrive in unique environments, with some growing on trees or rocks instead of their traditional soil. Look at how gorgeous beautiful piece. Let me show you up close. Check that out. Beautiful. Into resin, that's gorgeous. I love it. Now wait till you see what I do with this. One last bit of information on Orion. One of the most prominent and easily identifiable constellations in the night sky, representing the hunter in Greek mythology. Its most notable stars are Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, and Rigel, a blue supergiant. There are 3 stars forming Orion's belt. It is visible with the naked eye, and it is also often associated with the great hunters or warriors. And its appearance in the sky signals. I just love that Big Dipper in there. And now I'm going to put some s'mores. Be back in a moment. Just give me a moment and I'll mix that up. So here's my resin. And it's nice and mixed. And there should be no bubbles in here. And that's just going to cover the top here. In Chinese mythology, the Northern Dipper, that's what it's called there, is associated with the god of longevity and also serves as a power of symbol and guidance. In ancient Egypt, the Big Dipper was closely associated with death and afterlife. The Egyptians called the Big Dipper the plow or the bull's thigh. The constellation was seen as part of the afterlife journey, where the soul would be transformed and ascend to the heavens. The pharaohs would be guided by these stars after death. The cultural importance of the Big Dipper represents important themes like survival, the changing seasons, and the interconnectedness of all living things. These stories are deeply connected to the land and the natural environment. The Big Dipper not only provides cultural and moral lessons, but also serves as a way of keeping time, marking the seasons, and understanding the world. They reflect a deep natural respect for nature, animals, and the balance of life and death. What are your thoughts on the Big Dipper? Now here comes that surprise. In my small way, I connected our world, our natural world, with the world above us. Just using up a little extra that I have in my rose mold.
I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies, and all the while I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon.
I'm not giving you that reveal yet, but look at that sparkle and shine inside. That is real stars in there. Can you see it? Amazing. So how about this? Look at that gorgeous orchid. And look at what's inside my treasure box. Woohoo! Check it out. Here you have it, folks, in all its glory. This beautiful resin mold. You saw how easy it was to make this. Those beautiful resin molds and this little piggy. That's all it took. Simple, simple. If you like what you've seen here today, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you back. If you're in my chat right now and haven't met your neighbor, say hello now and make a friend today. Don't leave here without making a new friend. I have an Alzheimer's disease fundraiser going on now. Please take a moment of your time and donate. Let's eradicate this disease once and for all. I'd like to take a moment of your time to thank my members, those who gave super thanks, and those who donated to our Alzheimer's disease fundraiser. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please check out their channels in my description down below. And thank you to my wonderful subscribers, each and every one of you. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Following me next is Aishu Crafty Kids Club. You're not going to want to miss what she's got for you today. Thank you for coming. Till next time. Bye-bye now.